Hello, it's math time with Mrs. Depperschmidt. Today I'm trying out a new look, so I'm anxious to know how you think about that, what you feel. Let me know when you get to school. I decided it would be a good idea to do some more practice with division, so I've made a division problem that we're going to work through together. At school we'll be practicing a few division problems every day just to keep ourselves fresh and remembering how it works. So to start out, I've written this problem. How many times does 9 go into 6,504? And if you remember, when we were dividing with the blocks, the first thing we do is divide the 6,000 into 9 equal groups. Well, and if you remember, it's hard to put 6,000s into 9 equal groups. It won't work very well. So we need to show that with a 0 to hold our place and to help us remember that we've already investigated, we've already worked with the thousands. Next we move over to the hundreds and we say, oh, we've got 65 hundredths. Now that's something that we can break into 9 equal parts. And I know that there will be 700 in each of those 9 parts. I know that 7 times 900 is 6,300, which we will now subtract from the 6,504 because we have already put those 6,300s into 9 equal groups. And that leaves us with 204 left to divide into equal groups. And we'll see right here that I've shown that first step is already done. Next, because we have 204 left, we'll need to see what to do with 20. How can we divide 20 into 9 equal groups? We're working right over here, 9 equal groups, and we divide 20 because we have 20 tens. We had some remaining from when we subtracted. And I know that 20 groups of 9, I'm saying 20 because I put that 2, it goes into the tens place because that's where we're working next, is 180. When we subtract, we're left with 24. And now we will put those 24 into 9 equal groups. And I know once again that I'm going to use 2 in every group because 9 groups of 2 is 18. Then we've got our 18 here. We subtract that from our 24. We're left with 6. And we know that 6, it's impossible to divide 6 into 9 equal groups, and that becomes our remainder. So 6,504 divided by 9 gives us a quotient of 722, remainder 6. Hopefully the steps are coming back to you now. We may be a little rusty, but that's okay. We'll get some practice to keep us fresh. I'd like you to work this other example and bring it to me at school. Divide 9,045 into 6 equal groups. I'll just give you a little hint to get started. First you divide the 9,000 into 6 groups. And I know if we do that we have 1,000 in all of the 6 groups. And we will have 6,000 already divided up. Okay? And that's where you begin. I know you're going to do great with this. It'll be just like second nature after we have a little practice. I've enjoyed our math time. Please make sure you work your hardest, and remember to be kind.